Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Step 1. Identify the parent chain ring. The compound contains a benzene ring as the core structure, so the parent name is benzene. Step 2. Identify the substituents. There are 2 carboxylate ester groups attached to the benzene ring. One ester group is C is equal to O, OCH to CH3, an ethyl ester, I, ethoxycarbonyl, and the other is C is equal to O, OCH3, a methyl ester, I, methoxycarbonyl. Step 3. Determine positions. Both ester groups are on the benzene ring in a 1,3 meta relationship, as shown by the structural drawing. Step 4. Apply IUPAC nomenclature for esters of dicarboxylic acids. The parent diacid would be benzene 1,3 dicarboxylic acid, isophthalic acid. When both carboxylic acids are esterified, one with ethanol and one with methanol, the compound is named as a diester. The 2 alcohol-derived portions are named first, ethyl and methyl, followed by the acid-derived portion, benzene 1,3 dicarboxylate. Step 5. Assemble the name, listing the alkyl groups alphabetically, ethyl before methyl. The full IUPAC name is ethyl-methyl-benzene 1,3 dicarboxylate. Step 6. Why no other name applies? The compound is not a symmetric diester, which would be diethyl or dimethyl, and the 2 ester groups are meta 1,3, not ortho 1,2 or para 1,4, ruling out phthalate or terephthalate nomenclature. Therefore, the correct answer is ethyl-methyl-benzene 1,3 dicarboxylate. The correct answer is shown on screen.